Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here in Adopt Me doing a little speed build for Easter because if you guys haven't noticed in the Adopt Me channel, they have posted a video of the Easter update features, I guess, and I'm doing a mini speed build to get ready for Easter. So yeah, and make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below, and I will be inserting the clip in about 3, 2.
What better way to end the month than with a celebration of Easter in spring? We delayed the Easter update because the ocean eggs were coming, but it's just a little excuse to have an extra celebration this month. This update includes all of these fun accessories and a new limited premium pet lamb. Take part in the egg hunt to collect enough eggs to buy all the accessories at the Easter stand. You can also decorate your home with new Easter furniture. The update will be live April 29th at 8 AM PT, 11 AM ET and 4 PM BST. Search 4 PM BST local time to find out what time that'll be for you. And the update will leave in 2 weeks. Check the countdown board at the Easter stand.
Hi guys, okay, well, we're back from the Adopt Me clip. I hope you guys watched the whole entire thing because I just want to let you guys know, it's gonna happen. So yeah, now let's get to building. I'm gonna fast forward, or not fast forward, just make this part a little faster because that's why it's called a speed build, if you guys know what I mean. But I think I really like this wallpaper. It's like really cute, and yeah, it has like cute little polka dots. Maybe we can go for something else, but just like not now. I'm thinking of maybe changing it up, but yeah. So I'm just, thinking what I should do, if you guys know what I mean. Yeah, I don't know if I really like this anymore, but you know what? It's cute. I like it, but it just started to grow on me, if you guys know what I mean. I think we're gonna make this blue because we can never have enough blue, walls, because this is gonna be like, I'm gonna have like a few accent walls in my house, because I think I really like accent walls. They just make your house pop and pop more. It just shows your house really off. And I think I'm gonna do I don't know what I should do if I want an accent wall on these. But yeah, I think I'm going to do this one, a yellow accent wall. And let's see, this one may be a pink one. It would be really cute pink colored. And yeah. So I will be talking back with you guys after I'm done with the build. So yeah. crystals, that's it for me. Doing my Easter speed build. And yes, I love you, crystals. Bye, guys. Love you, crystals.
スタート